Welcome to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I'm Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to show you Link Extractor. Link Extractor is a tool that helps you get the links from a page just in the section that you wanted to get it from. Most other link extractors or link tools give you link dump, basically every single thing that's on the page, the header, the footer, the nav, the side navigation. What I wanted was a link tool specifically to help me with checking my anchor text and placement within an article that I've completed. So it's very simple to launch. You can launch it through the quick launch toolbar using the shortcut. You can type LE for link extractor. Everything in the quick launch toolbar, because we have over 150 tools, can be launched with just the initials, or you can type just links, or you can set a shortcut, which is over here. So if I launch the toolbar, you can see that these quick actions have shortcuts from 1 to 9. The rest can be clicked. But if this is something that you use often, you can go over to quick actions. You can find link extractor, which I think is somewhere down here at the moment because it's not something that I use that often, and you can drag it all the way up to position 4, for example. So now if I launch the shortcut Control Shift and 4, you can quickly launch the extractor. Now the yellow highlight shows you where we're extracting it from, but usually if you just click on the main article, you can see that very quickly you get a little table of contents. You can click and see where the links are inserted. You can see how many links there are in the article, and you can either copy the text. So if you want to check your anchor text, you can copy just the URLs if you're connecting citations of something, or you can copy for TSV. TSV is a tab separated format, which is perfect for Google Sheets. So if you just want to copy and paste in Google Sheets, you don't have to download a file, open it, copy everything, and then paste it again. So this is a super fast way to do it. We do have another tool which will show you all the links on the page and where they are, what kind of link it is. So we do have that as well, but this is specifically for very quick link extraction so that you can get all the links on the page. It's particularly useful if you're studying patents, for example, and you want to grab the patent. You don't want to, like if you read long articles and they often get lost in the article, you can very quickly see where it is, what it was, grab the URL and keep going. So that is Link Extractor from SEO Time Machines.